Hi, I'm Cindy Murdock, and I'm here to talk to those of you today that have had an interest in essential oils, and you think, I don't even know where to begin. I don't know what oils to buy. I don't know how to use them. I don't know what to do with them, but I'm hearing about them. Well, I'm here today to talk to you, to help you and make it really easy for you. I want you to know that it is so important that when you choose an essential oil, that they are 100% therapeutic oils, and that they go from the seed or the plant to the bottle without any synthetics involved at all, because that is so important when we use these essential oils for total wellness and for our better health, that they are 100% pure. And I'm here today to help make that easy for you on your adventure to experiencing essential oils. And so I want to show you today Young Living's Premium Starter Kit. It has everything in it that you need to start this amazing adventure to total wellness, and it will have all the oils that you need to start out, and it will explain everything, so it takes all of the questions away, and you can start on your journey to total wellness using the essential oils that are important for your life. So let me get started today sharing with you, and I'm going to tell you along the way when I talk to you about the oils, why they're so significant, why they're so important in your life. Stress Away is, you're going to come in your kit, there's going to be 12 essential oils. Now let me tell you, that is amazing. It's going to give you all 12 oils to start with that can meet so many needs in your everyday life. So I want to start out letting you know Stress Away is in the kit. Now my husband David loves Stress Away, and it comes in the kit with a little roller that you can put on that bottle. And David sits it in his office, and when he's feeling stress, he's feeling some tension, he takes that bottle and he just rolls it on his temples. Just takes some time there to allow that to enter into his bloodstream in his body, and it begins to bring a calm, and it just takes some of the stress of the day away. Now, one of our favorites here at the Murdock household also is lavender. Lavender, scientists are saying and proving that lavender brings a calm to the environment and the atmosphere of the home. I encourage you, if there's a lot of anxiety in the house, you want to use lavender. You want to diffuse it into your household. You may want to diffuse it in the bedroom at night before you begin to go to bed, to allow the aroma to be in the room, to bring a calm and a relaxing. When you breathe this in, it sends signals to the brain to relax, to bring calm, to reduce stress. Now, another one of our favorites is peppermint. Now, David has peppermint in his office right by where he sits, and every day he takes out this peppermint, and I'll just take a little moment here. He takes out the peppermint, which absolutely is one of the most amazing scents if you like peppermint. And we just breathe it in. Now, peppermint aroma has the ability to energize. You can put it in your water. You can ingest this. On the oils, this is another way this kit makes everything so easy for you, because you may wonder, well, which oils can I ingest, which can I not? Well, Young Living's made it simple for you. And if an oil can be ingested, it says vitality on the bottle. So it takes all the questions away for you wondering, can you ingest the oil? Frankincense is another one of our favorites. Every morning, I take frankincense after I've washed my face. I take frankincense and I rub it into the temples. And the scent and the oil of frankincense has the ability to also bring a sense of calm but focus. I put it on my thumb and I put it up in the roof of my mouth, so it is just entered into my bloodstream very quickly. But this brings a focus to you. And you know, frankincense goes all the way back, way into the Old Testament in the Bible days. We hear of frankincense, and we also know that frankincense was one of the gifts that was in the New Testament. We want to go on to lemon. Lemon is amazing. You can put lemon in your water, and if you are a person that doesn't like water and you don't drink the water you need, lemon. You can put lemon in some of the dishes that you cook. You can smell lemon, put it in your diffuser. Thieves. Thieves is amazing for the immune system. You can put it on the back of your tongue. You can put it in your water. You can diffuse it in your air. David and I diffused thieves in our house throughout the winter. And neither one of us, I'm just testifying, neither one of us has been sick with a cold or sick with the flu. Thieves has the different oils in it that help build the immune system. I am just sold on thieves. Panway is in the kit. It will help muscle discomfort. If you work out a lot of strenuous work, Panway is amazing for just needing to cause those muscles to relax a little bit. Raven is another great oil that is just so wonderful for what you need in your household. There is also the citrus smell, the aroma. You can put this in your water, you can cook with it, you can diffuse it. You know, even people that have, even the companies that have products out there, they realize the citrus smell and the citrus scent causes people to buy products because of the aroma. And we love the smell of clean. We love that smell, and it does something to energize us. So the citrus smell is in there. Digest is in here. And let me tell you, Digest is known for helping the digestive system. Digest, you can take it internally or you can put it on you. You can put it in your water, drink it before a meal, or you can buy the vegetarian capsules. Put a little Digest in there with a little olive oil and ingest it, and it will help you if you have some digestive issues. Now, in this kit, you don't only get 10 oils, but you get 12. Peace and Calm. Peace and Calm is known to also bring a calm into the atmosphere. It is encouraged for you to diffuse it in the house. If you have small children, it encourages you to diffuse it when it gets close to bedtime, because I don't know about you, but I remember the times when we had little toddlers, and was it difficult sometimes to just kind of get them to wind down, to get ready for bedtime. Well, Peace and Calm is your answer, and you just put it in the diffuser and let that aroma fill the house or fill the room, maybe where the children are beginning to wind down. This is your answer to getting the kids to wind down at night. Valor is another amazing oil that you will enjoy. It just goes on and on. Now let me show you the diffuser. I have had a lot of diffusers in my life. I've bought many. This is my favorite. We have 2 now in the house. This is the Desert Mist diffuser. It has different lights, different color. It puts out the most mist of any diffuser I've ever had, and it's quiet. It doesn't make a noise, and it lasts for hours and hours. You got different settings. It can run full all the time, or you can put it where it's on and off, and it will last longer throughout the day. This is my favorite diffuser, and when you go for your premium starter kit, if you decide you want this will come with it, and I promise you, you will love it. Now, what else is in the kit, you say? And I'm reminding you, I'm trying to make this very easy for you to start your adventure on essential oils, because this will just answer all of your questions. You won't have to wonder, is this a good oil? Is this one that's safe? Because I'm letting you know these are safe oils for you. And in this kit, There's also a little special part in the bottom of the box that you don't forget to go in there. It will give you the extra little roller balls that you might want to put on oils that you can just roll on your wrist, roll on the temples, roll in the back of your neck. These are wonderful. You get 2 of those. Now also, you get 2 samples of Ningxia Red. These are, you will take 1 of these a day. You have 2 of them. They are full of antioxidants of berries and also essential oils in here to energize you, to just bring clarity to your thinking, and they taste fabulous. Now also, isn't this exciting because you're getting the oils, you're getting a little taste of what the Ningxia Red that Young Living makes available that has the oils in it as well as berries. Then you know that we're all interested in how can we live a more toxin-free life, because if you breathe in those toxins, they're going to affect your health. Well, here's a sample of Thieves Household Cleaner, which is different from the Thieves Oil, the essential oil that you breathe in. But this is non-toxic. You can put it in a bottle of water, a spray bottle, according to what you want to do. You can do some really intense cleaning, so you'd put less water. So depending on what you want to clean with Thieves, this Thieves cleaner would be proportionate, and it tells on the back, proportionate to what you're going to clean. You can clean spots off of clothes. You can clean countertops, windows, mirrors, floors. You got little babies around, you would want to use this because there's nothing in it toxic. So you're not breathing in anything toxic, and your little babies and children or animals are not walking on toxic floors, or anything they're touching is not toxic. So I encourage you, yes, you want to use this. Now, we're also, throughout the year, you're careful about what you're touching. You know, now the grocery stores or different stores are supplying the wipes so you can wipe off the grocery carts and the carts and different things, where a lot of people are handling things and they may have a cold, they may be sick, they may have something contagious. Well, they also have here for you a Thieves hand sanitizer, and it is amazing. They actually call it a hand purifier, but it's made with Thieves and the oil. There's nothing in it toxic, so when you're wiping it on your hands, nothing is toxic in this, and you're purifying your hands when you're out in public. You can just pop it in your purse or in your briefcase. It's just really easy and wonderful, and it smells fabulous. You will love it. I promise you that. Now, I want to let you know too that in your kit, you may say, Cindy, there is no way I can remember all the things you just told me about the oils. Let me remind you again, you get 12 essential oils meeting so many needs to bring you to a place of total wellness. You get the Ningxia Red, you get the Thieves Household Cleaner, the hand purifier, the roller balls that you can put on the oils. And let me just share, this is exciting. This comes in your kit so that all the oils that we just talked about, it explains them a little more front and back. So you don't have to remember everything I just shared with you. You get this fabulous mister, the diffuser, the mist that puts out the mist. You will love, love it. Now, I want to tell you this. When you purchase this premium starter kit, I have something very exciting to tell you. When you purchase this kit, there are some amazing benefits that come with this, besides everything you need to get started in your journey or your adventure, I want to call, of essential oils. There are many other benefits, and one of them is when you purchase this kit, you are a member of Young Living Essential Oils for a year. It gives you a year's membership. And not only that, but along with that, anything that you order from Young Living, whether it's the makeup line, the cleaning line, the nutrition and supplements, or your essential oils, or another mist diffuser, you get your product for 24% off. You get wholesale pricing, 24% off. Is that not amazing? on anything that you order. Now, you also in the kit will get, you get the magazine that comes in the kit, which is amazing. You also get the catalog, and it just gives you everything. Plus, you can go to the website and see all the products that are there. Now, let me tell you another exciting thing. So you've got your kit, you've got everything you need to get started, and just kind of give you some direction on what you want to do on this adventure. And let me tell you what else comes with just you buying this premium starter kit today. You also are automatically enrolled as an independent distributor. And with that, there are many more benefits that come, such as a generous compensation package. What else? How amazing is all of this that you get just from buying this premium starter kit that I shared all of these products with you today to get you started on your adventure into total wellness by using essential oils. Now, let me tell you this. If you bought everything I shared with you in this premium starter kit individually at a retail price, you would pay anywhere from $350 to $400. Now you might say, oh, well, I can get oils a lot cheaper than that out here at this store or that store. Well, maybe so, but not 100% therapeutic grade oils that go from the seed or the plant to the bottle. So let me tell you, by getting this kit today, you can get all that I showed you that it would at a retail price from $350 to $400, you can get for only $165. It's amazing to get all of this, plus your shipping and handling. Now, let me say to you, this is how you can do this. Go to this link, myYL.com/Cindy Murdock, and the number sign EWM as in Mary /total wellness. If you go to that link, it will automatically come up and be made very easy for you to purchase your premium starter kit. I'm so excited. And when you do this and you pay for your kit, they automatically will give you a membership number. And hey, we are on our way together in this adventure to total wellness. I will be notified when you buy the kit, and I will be in touch with you to help you in any way that I can, to answer any questions that I possibly can to help you along this adventure. So I look forward to being notified that you've gone in today and you've purchased your premium starter kit and you're ready for this adventure to total wellness by having this great experience with essential oils. So God bless you, and I look forward to hearing from you.